tulabanga Bobi Wine supportinga nnyo mu concerts. Tugenda genda mu supportinga ko mu campaign.
When when he calls me, you know, I'm always able and ready. I think when any of my friends call me, you know, but politics is something I do stay away from for obvious reasons. You know, my fans don't want me involved in that, and yeah, it's a vibe in general. You have to have the passion for it. So when we start the Navcop party with our color brown, I would hope that they come and also support me and come to my political party and support me in what I do for Uganda. Yes, I'm in very good terms with Kasuku. Whoever said that story they need to watch it till the end. He says at the end of the story that he's joking. Me and Kasuku are fine. We're good friends. We're both working for Bel Air. We were in the club, actually. That's why he even got a cough after, because we were dancing so hard and had a good time. So yeah, we had an amazing time at Bandali. That's my friend, definitely to the end. And he's going to be at the concert as well, live. Even sampled some violin for the people. So Kasuku's going to be there. No, that's my boy. 6 p.m. gates will open. We're at stage at 9. Before that, we're going to have a DJ set. It's my 10th show. I've been doing this for Ugandans. This is for Ugandans by Ugandans. But it was, to orchestra from England and Nedda. These are going to be young Ugandan people giving you a show. And the same way that they have these shows in Europe, America, we're going to start having here together. We can do it. So please come support us. Tickets are on a flash sale now for only 100K. You can get the tickets on the gate for 150K. So please get your tickets on Momo for only 100K now. Come through, let's have a good time. They're going to jump back up to 130. So I don't know when another flash sale is going to happen, but please grab your tickets now. Jangu man to Numire, let's have a good time. It's your boy Navio. Navio Orchestra, Serena Hotel, Saturday. Let's go.